What's up, healthy people? I want to share my discovery about how I massage my neck, and it actually completely helped me remove the neck pain that had been troubling me for almost 10 years, in which I had to try almost everything. Nothing worked until this one. Through a very particular self-massage setup. It's different than all the massage that I know. I'm using a very specific tool. It's called bodybackbuddy, and it can reach the deep fascia of our body, not just our neck, but today what I'm gonna show you is going to be demonstrating in this area. I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's just take a look at the setup. What you're gonna need is a couple of yoga bricks, one foam roller. It doesn't have to be hard because it's not actually, we don't use it for a massage. It's just to support our body, okay? Our main character today will be this blue stick. It's called bodybackbuddy. And you will need a sandbag. Yes, sandbag is very crucial. Why? Because while during the massage, and this you will shift your body weight, especially from left to right, and it can cause the massage cane to kind of tilt it up or imbalance. So it will be very useful if you can add some weight at the other side of the massage can, and then it will make the whole massage process much more fluid and easier to control. So yeah, that's the setup. And after talking about setup, okay, it's time to take a look at how I actually do it. So when it comes to a massage position, the first thing you want to make sure is that you are well positioned. Okay, take this for example. You want to make sure I'm adding the correct pressure. I want the pressure is enough for my trigger point. Okay, and also the height is correct so I can actually move my body left and right, back and forth. Is all good, all good, all good. And then make sure both your arm is well positioned and well supported. You don't want them to lift in the air during the whole process. And after massage, you fix your neck, but you messed up your arms. That's what you really don't want. Okay, you don't want that to happen because it's a DIY massage. You will really want the whole process to be as relaxed as possibly can, so you can get the best result. Okay, the more relaxed you are, the better the pressure can penetrate to the deeper fascia. Okay, this is the number one rule of all massage. This is the first principle. Okay, just follow this. Okay, so now the arm is well positioned. I can use it to guide my upper body, whether it's like this or like this. Is all really easy and effortlessly. The middle part right here is our chest, our belly. Now I'm using a foam roller to support it. If it's not high enough, you can add some other stuff like yoga brick to make it higher, or as I said, it's really customizable. So anyway, you just find something to support. And the lower part of the body can still play an important role. The height of your pelvis can slightly change the angle right here. Can slightly change the angle right here. Okay, you want to try. You want to experience like different height of your pelvis, whether it will affect the connection between your head and your massage tool. One last thing is that I like to position myself right next to something steady. It can be a bed or a wall or some kind of shelf or anything, any kind of furniture that's steady enough I can lean onto. It can become a great support for me during the massage process as well. So this is really crucial as well. After we well position ourselves, what we need to look at next is whether is the angle correct. What kind of angle is the best to let the pressure penetrate our adhesion? The angle matters. For example, like for me, I found like this angle is actually the best after trying 10 times. Like this angle is really fit the human jawline structure, also the neck structure. So I found this is actually the best if I put it like this. There's two directions you can choose. One is left and right. Another one is up and down, back and forth. Which one is better is really up to the pain and the soreness level that you felt. You have used it as a guideline to follow. Your body will tell you like exactly how the adhesion is formed. Okay, that's pretty much all I want to share today, guys. And just one more thing I want to let you know is that if it comes out with a better setup, or you already know a better setup, you please DM me on my Instagram, and I would love to give a test, and maybe I want to share it. I want to use it so bad myself, right? Because pretty much like no people are using this tool right now. So yeah, so see you next time.